Wiring up a 5-way switch can be a little bit confusing at first, but once you understand what's happening and the connections inside, then it becomes fairly simple to actually wire it up with a few different configurations. So today I'm going to cover how it actually functions with a visual, what's happening inside, and give you some different examples of what you can do, and the most common example of the modern Stratocaster. So let's jump right in here. So last week I covered the 3-way switch, and it's going to look very similar to a 5-way switch, obviously just different switching options. So I'll just quickly recap. Here's the lugs, 4 on one side, 4 on the other side, which I've represented here as A and B. And I've labeled them 1, 2, 3, and 0 because the 0 is what's called the common. So the reason it's called the common is because it's always connected. So the wiper or blade or lever is always connecting 0 to either 1, 2, or 3 simultaneously on both sides. So just a quick recap of the last video. For a 3-way lever switch, in the different positions, you have the bridge position, you have 1 and 0 connected, the middle position, 2 and 0, and then the neck position, 3 and 0 on both sides. So for position 1, it's going to be the exact same. You've got A1 to A0 and B0 to B1. So this position is obviously not an option with the 3-way switch, and this is where the difference comes in. So you have A1 and A2 both going to A0, and B1 and B2 also going to 0. So what's happening inside that switch is the lever is actually spanning across those two terminals. This middle position is the same. You've just got 2 going to 0. Sure, you're starting to get the pattern now, but position 4 is 2, 3 to 0, and then position 5, you've got 3 to 0. And here's all 5 positions together in terms of what's happening inside the switch. Now don't worry if you forget all of this, because I've put this all together into an easy to understand infographic called Guitar Wiring Cheat Sheet, which you can download below. It's in the description. Follow the link, put in your email, and it's yours. Let's wire this thing up here. So I pulled up an image of a Stratocaster, and obviously the positions that you want are the bridge in the middle, just the middle, the neck in the middle, and just the neck. So to do that, I've wired up the bridge to 1, the middle to 2, the neck to 3. So essentially you could use A0 as your output, and that would give you all the different combinations of pickups, and B would be just not active. Remember, the two sides are not connected. But it's a little bit limiting in terms of your tone control options. So first I'll show you how a typical Strat is wired up. So here you've got a jumper cable going from A0 to B0 connecting the two sides, and then you've got your tone control options on B2 and B3. So if you picture what's happening in each case, right, you've got position 1, just A1. Okay, so there's no tone control on just the bridge pickup, but then the next position you've got A1 and A2, which is also connected to B2, so therefore you have a tone control for that position. In your middle, you have just the 2 connected, which you have the tone control for. The next one, you have the neck and the middle, which are connected to both of these. You have more tone control options. And then 3, you have it connected to the tone control. So obviously with the Strat wiring, you don't have an individual tone control when your switch is set to the bridge position. So you can switch this around, you can customize it and add tone controls in different positions. So you can have a tone control coming out of the bridge position, and then you can add a jumper here, and then your tone control hooked up to here, or vice versa, your tone control out of here. Now I'll just go through one of those because then you can probably picture what the other one is going to be like. So in position 1, you have your pickup coming out and your tone control off 1. Okay. Position 2, you have tone control for the bridge and you have tone control for the middle. In position 3, or the middle position, you have tone control. Remember, it's just going into 2, jumped to there. So you still have the tone control for position 2. Position 4, you have your tone control for 2 and 3 coming out of here. And then for position 5, you have obviously your tone control because it's just 3 to 0. So again, if that's over your head, what I recommend doing just to really solidify this is download that cheat sheet, and then you can go to this website, guitarelectronics.com. Now I mentioned this in the previous video, but I'll mention it again because it'll really help solidify your understanding of what I'm showing you here. And I put the link in the description below, as well as the guitar wiring cheat sheet. So what you should do is download that, go to this website. That way you can hold it up or put it on your desktop in front of you and look at what's connected where internally, and then go to this website and try to figure out what's happening in each wiring diagram. So you can go through this website and it gives you a bunch of different options, you know, one humbucker plus 2 single coils. What we were talking about was 3 single coils and the 5-way lever switch. So you can check that out, go through a few examples and try to really make sure that you know what's happening, again, with that cheat sheet in front of you, so you know what's happening internally with the switch, and that'll really solidify your understanding. So if it's still confusing, just remember, go through one signal path at a time, okay? Each position, follow that position in its circuit. And it can also be helpful if you're looking at a wiring diagram to just ignore the ground wire, and that way you're only following the signal path from the pickup. Hopefully that was helpful. Give it a thumbs up if you found it useful. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions at all, or some of this didn't make sense, so I'll be sure to answer it for you. And hit subscribe. Stay tuned next week. I'll finish off the switches with covering the import box toggle switch.